Hi guys, this is part 2 of my birthday present unboxing video, and I am going to unbox this big special box that says fashion show, winter fashion show. I watched the movie and it's really good, so you should go watch it too. And my friends Tammy, Giles, Arda, and Wari and their moms bought this for me as a birthday gift, and I'm so excited to open it. And if you haven't watched part 1, don't worry, you can go watch it after you watch this video. But let's get to unboxing now. I already took the cover over here. Open it. Oh, wow. Free it. That got tangled. She's so beautiful. Look. Her hair is frosty blue. Oh. Her hair is like frosty blue, just like ice. The icy water. And this looks so beautiful. Look at her big earrings, glittery eyes. She just looks so good. Look at her shoes. They have like crystal-y things over here. That's so cool. I feel like my heart's just gonna boom. And let's unbox these. We both need the stand. And I really like the glitter on her stand. See, white glitter and it's really see-through. So now let's go look in here. So her name is Missy Frost, and she must be famous because look, she's in Fashion BB magazine. She's actually in a magazine. Isn't that cool? So it says over here, my happy place is in the spotlight. As a model, I give fierce fashion a story and bring the drama on the runway. And there's like lots of her fashion things that must be in these bags. And look, I think she went to BB Boutique. It says huge glittery bag. I'm gonna open these bags, and maybe if I like some clothes, I may put them over here. So let's get open. And look, this design is so beautiful, so I don't want to ruin it so bad. Whoa, I think this is like her jacket. It's like her jacket, and this part is like this. Her moms go over here, and then they go over here. Isn't that cool? Oh, it's stuck in my finger! So this is like the coolest jacket I ever saw. Look. Oh, is that a skirt that I see? Look! This skirt has so many gems. It looks so like ice. Wow, my eyes are like mesmerized by looking at all these gems. Are your eyes mesmerized by looking at all these gems? My eyes are. Oh! Snowball hair ties! And the snowballs are so puffy, like pom-poms. I wish I had hair ties like this so bad. And there's also these cool crystal butterfly flower hair ties. It's so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. And it also comes with this beautiful purse with like ice over here. And look at this crystal gem. Looks so cool. And she also comes with this collar. I see. Alright, I'm gonna dress her up now since we have all this stuff. Here's a final look of Missy Frost OMG Winter Fashion Show. This and her extra clothes on this mannequin. Her glasses and accessories are down here. And everything is on her like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you didn't see part 1 yet, please go watch it after this video, and please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!